What were the consequences of the arms race and space race in the USA and USSR? The arms race and space race between the two major powers of the 20th century, the United States of America and the Soviet Union, scramble for more destructive and powerful weapons, as they thirsted for more and more power. There was also the space race, where the aforementioned powers competed to colonize and eventually weaponize space first, the space race, which in the West is advertised as being won by the USA, even though it can be credibly argued that the Soviet Union was actually more scientifically important. The space race was closely related to the nuclear arms race, because rocket technology, which could be applied to nuclear weapons, meant that nuclear weapons could be launched and be able to hit across continents more quickly and more accurately, which was crucial in the nuclear strategy. The nuclear aspects of the new Cold War meant that both USA and USSR had to exercise a lot more caution than they previously would. The days of storming beaches and trenches were over, as now if the two nations invaded each other, it would spell doom for the rest of the world. This helped deter direct war, but it did incentivize the powers to sponsor and commit small amounts of troops, such as Vietnam. Nuclear buildup likely helped in the Cold War because of the amount of fear it caused. Strongmanning was not an option, because you do not want to try and push the limits of a man who can destroy the world hundreds of times over. It meant that there would not be invasions directly between the USSR and the USA, which could have caused a conflict more bloody and brutal than the horrors of World War II.